So guys, welcome back to our channel, The Desi Odyssey. Today we'll be taking to you a very special place. So let's begin. We have come at the place that we wanted to come since a very long time. This is Shubh Convention Center in Jayanagar, Bangalore. And here
There's a book fair.
there's a book fair, yeah, huge book fair. And they have three options. I'll show you that later on. 1100 for Money Saver, 1650 for Wealth Box. I don't know what the quantities are, but as far as I have read, in 1100 you can get around 10 to 11 books. So that's around 100 rupees per book. So I'll show you how it looks inside. So hi guys, welcome back. I think today was an eventful day, and we went for quite an experience. So we went for this place जहाँ पे you can get a huge number of books. They were around. They say that they have around 2 lakh books over there in their collection. So yeah, I think Nandini will tell you more about the concept.
Okay. Vishal, what was the name of the exhibition or work?
Shubha Convention Center. The exhibition name is Lock the Box.
Yeah. So the name of the exhibition was Lock the Box and it was a very unique concept. तो उनका कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि वहाँ पे उन्होंने 3 टाइप के बॉक्सेस रखे हुए थे. एक आपके सामने है जैसे दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बॉक्सेस and this box, I think it's written on the box also, it's worth rupees 1100. There were 2 other boxes. One was worth rupees 1600 and the other was worth rupees 2600. So as they were more in price, they were bigger in size. So उनका कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि आप अगर 1100 का बॉक्स खरीद रहे हैं तो आप उसको उतना भर लीजिए जितना वो बंद हो जाए, and those books are yours for 1100 rupees.
Correct.
Same with 1600 and same with 2600, just bigger boxes, so more number of books. So
But we have an estimate for this size of box you will get around 10 books. Slightly bigger, which is for 1600, you will get around 15 to 16 books, and for 2300, right?
yeah, 2300.
For 2300 you will get around 25 books. So
Yeah.
you can plan likewise.
Yeah. So we'll show you the books that we have chosen. It was very difficult because the exhibition was huge, or there were a lot of books.
Yeah.
So figuring out what you want is very difficult, and finding the right book for you, that's a little difficult. But we managed to find some 10 books and we managed to stuff them all into this little box.
What do you think, how much time did we spend over there?
I didn't realize that we spent that much time, but we spent around 2.5 hours.
Yeah, we spent around 2.5, 3 hours.
3 hours.
At one moment of time, we were sitting on the floor and going through what
Yeah.
the books we had chosen.
That's what all book lovers there were doing. They came there and they were very comfortably sifting through the books. Maybe people had been there for 4, 5, 6 hours also, because people had come with families and kids and everyone, and they were just sitting and enjoying the books. So we'll show you one by one what all
Without
books.
wasting time, we'll show you. Okay. So
This is a book by Anne Cleves called Telling Tales. Seems like a thriller. So yeah, that's the first book. This is The Umbrella Mouse, and this has a very fun story.
unique
So,
story.
unique
kind of,
story.
yeah.
It has a mouse. It's not just the name. This is the second book. This is a collection of books by Franz Kafka, the
Very
greatest
classic books.
works
Yeah.
of Franz Kafka. So if you see, it's a mint collection book.
Yeah.
I mean, it's completely wrapped.
It has not.
It has not been
yeah.
opened. Yeah, we'll be the
Yeah.
first ones to be opening it.
So
It's
it's
a new
brand
book.
new book. I think.
Yeah.
It's if you can see, it's for 350 rupees.
Yeah, for 350 rupees. So we'll tell you what these books are priced individually and if we made a good deal or not. Prophet by Ethan Cross.
So we have spent some time and tried to get an overview of I think कितने की बुक्स हमने ली है और हमें अगर ऑनलाइन हम अमेजोन पे खरीदते तो कितने की पड़ती. So it is very shocking for this book. It's a very famous book. I think movie भी बनने वाली है, बन चुकी है. I am not sure, but you can guess कि I think you cannot guess कि कितने की book होगी है.
Yeah.
Yeah,
इसका paperback edition is not that expensive, but since ये hard cover है,
Yeah, and
तो
it's total mint. It's total mint.
proper hard cover.
Proper hardcover. See, proper mint condition.
Yeah, so this is worth 2000 on Amazon.
2000 rupees. Yes. We ourselves were shocked. I was thinking कि 500 रुपए तक का होगा, but this is worth 2000 rupees.
And जो नीचे बाकी दोनों books रखी, this book is a very old book.
Yeah,
This is worth 1500.
yeah, 1600.
1600.
This is also not mint condition, but not bad as well. And these books are not that. I think this is available in India. I think ये available नहीं होगी इंडिया में शायद.
Not sure. Amazon पे available हैं.
ठीक है,
तो कहीं ना कहीं से ship हो जाती है. हाँ.
This is 1600, 2000, 1600, and these both books are for 1000 rupees each.
Yes.
So हमारे सामने ही 2000, 3600, 4600, 5600, तो ये 4 books है बस.
हाँ. बाकी बुक्स के आप लगा लो 600 700 एवरेज
हाँ.
600 एवरेज.
Yes. So overall we had estimated कि 2000 की.
अगर आप यही ओरिजिनल्स खरीद रहे होते अमेजोन से जाके,
मेरे को लगा था कि हमने 2-3 हजार 4,000 की बुक्स खरीदी होंगी, बट दीज आर वर्थ 8,000 रुपीज. You saved around 7,000 bucks.
Yeah.
Speechless.
and most of it is mint.
Yeah, you can see this. We will like.
Open it ourselves now.
Yeah.
Don't do.
नहीं करने.
नहीं.
बाद में करेंगे कोई बात.
जब पढ़ेंगे तब खोलेंगे.
So that's it. I think we spent a lot on books, lot of time on books, but it was totally worth it.
Definitely.
So you should also visit this place. I think in next 3-4 days the convention will be over, or it might get extended as well. But we will write the location in the description. Yes. So till then, bye bye.
Bye.